sky looks like a little bit like crap when it's overcast, but about to take a ride and see if I can scout up this shot. Got a massive dark cloud over top. I guess I got tricked thinking it was going to be a decent day out here. Weather calls for overcast, but these clouds seem to be rolling in thick and deep. So, like I said, I'm going to go out and scout out a shot that I've been thinking about doing for quite a while. I may have taken some pictures with just a regular camera, but just want to try something a little bit different. No kids playing in the field. They all seem to be distracted doing other things. So what we're gonna do is, and again, I know it looks super dark because I'm using the GoPro, and there's a huge, massive cloud over top of us. Oh, let me see if it's just actually straight, because you'll probably even able to see that. I forgot I'm shooting in 360 mode here. All right, so now that I straighten it out, so there's a huge cloud over top of us, but I got a lot of blue sky, so there's probably not a potential for rain unless one of these clouds just happens to burst open. But where we are is at this field that kind of leads back into the woods, and back in the woods there is a shot that I've been trying to get, I've been thinking about getting for a while, but I was actually on this side of the woods thinking about doing the shot into the woods. That is actually what I was thinking about doing. How do you get up there? You just went through there?
Or we come on this side, but you can't climb from this.
Yeah.
There's a few big fish down there. We're not swimming down there again.
Fishing down there?
Yeah, like on the little island right there.
Yeah. Nah, I wasn't gonna fish down there. I was actually gonna do some drone video, but I wanted to kind of get it from like up high, like me up on top, and then kind of flying down or below the bridge. But I don't want to fall in and break my neck.
Not fishing. What is it?
Huh? This?
Yeah,
This is a camera. Nah, it's a camera.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you're doing what I'm doing?
There's a nice spot over there. There's a cliff.
A cliff?
Yeah.
With the rope on it?
Nah.
Oh.
Are you trying to
It's
do
up that hill.
Nah, I'm not gonna jump in. I'm just gonna try to film it. I'm gonna try to fly in and film it, but I need to get up kind of high. I guess I could probably film it from down here. Nah, not you jumping. I don't want to film you jumping in, but if you want to do it, I'll do it. Can you actually jump in from there and not get hurt?
Yeah, I'm cool.
All right, I'll launch it.
I wouldn't do it, but
Would you do it?
I did it earlier.
All right, give me a second. Let me set up. Well, what's the? Huh? Yeah, I'll send it to you. All right.
YouTube.
Yeah. So YouTube, I'm trying to get on TikTok, you know, so people on there now.
I'll shout you out and shit, bro.
You got YouTube too?
I got Instagram. I'll tell you to go on YouTube.
All right. Well,
I
we
got
go.
like 1,000 followers, but not much, bro.
I mean, we'll see. We can see what we can get. All right, I'm gonna set this up real quick, and then I'll start the camera back up once it's all said and done. Shout out to Cam and RPGJ for helping with this shot. It's not the shot that I expected to actually get, but after looking at the whole setup again, I guess I can kind of go up on the train tracks, climb down, then I will be around a bunch of metal, which is going to throw off the GPS, which is going to throw off the, you know, the IMUs. What I did was I thought I would just try to do a quick fly through and get some of the scenery and do the shot. And it's just difficult for me because I'm so used to flying visual to kind of like fly under this bridge, then fly up over top, not knowing what's over top of me. Like when I went up on the other side, I had no idea whether or not there was a tree over top of me to kind of clip this thing out of the air, but I kind of just took the risk, went up, went over, came back around, and what I was going to do was I was going to try to come back around, fly straight through, turn it around, and then fly back under and catch him jumping. But that would have taken a lot more planning and probably multiple shots. But for now, I might just do another little fly through the creek. The creek is looking nice and clean right now. There's a lot of decent fish in here. So I definitely gotta get back out here and do some fishing and just try to pick up on some of the graffiti and maybe even fly the path that I got down here and stitch it all together at the end. So let me see what I can do real quick. Came out, well, we shall see. It is freaking blisteringly hot. Everybody had the right idea, being down in the shade in the cool water, rope swing, jumping into the pond water. I might have to come back and do that myself. There's a whole bunch of teenagers out there, so I'll wait until they go home.